So thinking about having a baby, or maybe you're already pregnant, then listen up, because this tiny nutrient could literally make a huge difference for you. It's called folic acid, the literal superhero version of folate, a B vitamin your body and your baby need to thrive. So why is it a big deal? In the first few weeks of pregnancy, sometimes before you even know you're pregnant, folic acid actually helps form your baby's brain as well as spinal cord. So if you get enough, you literally slash the risk of serious birth defects like spinal bifida, for example. But literally, that's not all. Folic acid also helps build healthy red blood cells. So bye-bye pregnancy anemia. It also helps support rapid cell growth, which is literally essential when you're building a human being. Maybe lower the risk of cleft lip as well as palate, and it could even reduce the chance of miscarriage as well as early delivery. So the question is, when should you start? Ideally 3 months before you try to conceive. Yep, that's before. So take 400 mcg daily or more if your doctor obviously says so. So here's a pro tip. A good prenatal vitamin has all the folic acid you need. Just literally check the label. And always talk to your doctor, especially if your neural tube defects run in the family. So if a baby's in your future, make sure folic acid is literally in your present. Please like, share, and tag someone who needs to hear this. Thank you so much.